Greetings, this is Rob Mccray for the Business Building Network, and in this video I'm going to show you how to customize the URL for your YouTube channel and turn it into a very easy to remember link as if it were your own domain name. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you exactly how this is done. Okay, so if you want to change your URL and you want to customize it and get rid of this long, ugly link that YouTube has provided you with, then we're going to show you how you can do that. All right, so there are a couple of things that you need to have in place before you will be eligible to go ahead and customize your actual URL channel. So the first thing you will need to have at least 100 subscribers to your channel. You're going to need to have your profile image uploaded here, and also you're going to need to have your own channel art for your actual YouTube channel put into place. And also your YouTube channel would need to be older than 30 days. So once you have met these requirements, then you will be eligible to go ahead and customize your URL for your channel. So we're going to do this for this particular channel here. And this channel here is a fishing channel, and the name of it is Upstream Production. So I'm going to customize the name so Upstream Productions is going to be a part of their actual URL here on YouTube. All right, so let's show you behind the scenes how we're going to do this. All right, so all you need to do, you're going to come over here to your icon for your YouTube account, and we're going to go into the YouTube studio. So now YouTube is constantly changing this around, so it might be worded differently when you go to do this, but as of December 2019, this is how it is showing up currently. Alright, so once you're into your YouTube studio, you're just going to click on Settings here, and then you're going to click on, let's see, I think it was Channel. Okay, yeah, click on Channel, and then we're going to click on Advanced Settings, and then we're going to scroll down. You're going to click on Status and Features. Click on that, and then it's going to give you the option to do a lot of things over here. You can also click on here to monetize your channel when you're actually at the point of where you've reached 1,000 subscribers and you have over 4,000 hours of watch time within a 12-month period. So when you get ready to apply for that, then this is where you're going to need to go ahead and monetize your channel so you can start getting paid by YouTube. All right, so let's get back to the customization of your URL. And as you can see here, as we scroll down, custom URL, and it says that you are eligible. So all we need to do here is click on this Claim It here, and it's going to show us what we need to do next to go ahead and customize the URL. All right, so once you have done that, it would be a good idea if you copy your user ID and your channel ID. You might need it for future reference, and just put that into one of your notepads, and so you can use that if you ever need it. And then we're just going to click here to customize your URL. All right, so we're going to click on that there. And then it shows you how your customized URL will look if this is the one that you so desire. So it'll be youtube.com/C/Upstream Productions, and then it gives you the options. is this the one that you want? Or you can use a different suffix when adding the name of Upstream Productions, or whatever the name is of your actual channel. So I'm going to go ahead and use this option here. I have read and agreed to the custom URL terms of use. So check that box, click on change URL, and it's just going to ask us to make sure that we want this name, so we go ahead and confirm that change. Give it time to load up. All right, and then there we have it. So your name has been changed and customized to that specific URL of Upstream Productions. So let's just, I'm going to grab that link and put it back into the browser, and so you guys can see it actually shows up. All right, so let's go pick up that URL so you can see how it's going to actually upload and make sure that it's working properly. And then you can use that link as a way to refer people back over to your YouTube channel. All right, so we're going to go back to how we originally set it up. We're going to go into the YouTube studio. And then we're going to go over to the dashboard. And then we're going to click on settings. And then from there, we're going to click on channel. And hit advanced settings. Then we're going to scroll down to status and features. And we're going to scroll down again where it says custom URL, and you can see that this is the new name here, Upstream Productions. So we're just going to click on that. Then the channel is going to upload, and you're going to see the new customized URL show up in your browser here. All right. So youtube.com/c/Upstream Productions, and your name has been customized for your YouTube channel. So guys, I want to thank you for watching. Please make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also click on that notification bell, and you will be notified each and every time that I upload a new video. So once again, this is Rob McCray for the Business Building Network. I thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you real soon.